You stand to the side so they take a video. Open your hand.
Elaine, can you move, please?
Show her. No, let her.
Let her
She's
lick,
gonna,
let her lick
she's
your
gonna
hand.
take it with her lips. Only her lips. Hold your hand under her mouth again.
Don't be afraid, it means lick your hand like a doggy.
Yeah.
Let her.
She uses her lips to get it.
Again.
Because it fell there. She uses her lips. She uses her lips. Keep your hand open. Keep your hand open.
And you see this one?
Okay.
Open up.
She used. Put it in the other hand so they can see. See? They use their lips to get it.
Good girl. Good girl. Oh wow. Chihuahua?
Yes. I'm in a Pomeranian. We
Doggy.
in between. He's called Cookie. So we had a Cookie 1 and a Cookie 2. In between we had a miniature Chihuahua.
Oi. Let him sniff. Oi. What are you doing?
And he